I keep a side of me under wraps.
Welcome back, Goody Gang. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if that's what you're into. And if you're a returning customer, you know what to do. So today, I'm going to be teaching you all how to make press-on nails. These are my press-on nails that I made. So before I show the tutorial, I'm not an expert at this, so I'm just as new to this as you all are, so just bear with me. I mean, I got the gist of it. You're literally just painting fake nails and then gluing them on your nails. Like, how hard can it be? But yeah, so I'm gonna come back and teach you, tell you all about my mistakes so you all don't do them. So yeah, enjoy the tutorial. So first, I put the Scotch stickies on the diagonal on the nail art display tool. And then I sized the long coffin nails onto my fingers, and I placed them in front of the nail tool that was equivalent to my nail. I labeled which was which, so I put a little sticky tape on the bottom of the one that was my left, and I didn't put anything on the other one just because my cuticles are different on each hand. So like literally each nail is sized specifically for that finger. I began to paint the nails. Just make sure that you get each side of the nails, like all the sides of the nails. I actually used a lot of nail polish to paint it. I don't know if it was because it was like old nail polish or because it was just a long nail. And then to top it off, I used gel nail polish on top of it. So you can use regular nail polish as the color, and you can top it off with gel nail polish. I am no expert in placing rhinestones, so I just did a simple little 3-dot line in it. To place the rhinestones, I didn't put any nail glue on there. I just put the gel nail polish, and then I placed the rhinestones on top of the gel nail polish, and then I cured it.
These my dollars make it hurt.
Alrighty, so some of the mistakes that I have made, I'm not gonna lie, I'm recording everything in one day. So the intro and the after the tutorial video. So some of the mistakes that I made was when I was painting, I didn't get some of the sides. You can't tell, I'm pretty sure you can't tell on camera, but like I can tell. But like if someone just looking at your nails, they should not be looking that hard at them. But if they are, then what the heck. But anyway, so I didn't get the sides of them that good, so make sure you get the size of them. And then also, these are too long for me, and I don't like these. I don't like how long they are, but they're really super duper cute. Another thing that I didn't do, which I already knew to do, I just didn't do it because I like hurried up and put these on. I didn't push down my cuticles, so it would look way better if I pushed down my cuticles. So then, let me tell you all the trick about keeping press-on nails a long time. So if you're making homemade press-on nails, this is the trick. Like, I'm about to blow y'all mind. So you get some cheap nail polish. Like, you know, I got the nail polish I use, I'm pretty sure I got it from like the beauty supply store, you know, the little dollar nail polish or whatever. So you get any color. You don't even have to get no OPI. You don't got to get no China glaze. You ain't got to get no Essie, none of that. Get the color that you want. It can be the cheapest one on the rack. To top it all off, to make it pop, this is what you do. You add the gel top coat, okay? So you got to add the gel top coat, and then that'll make it look nice. Like, it'll make it last, because you know that cheap nail polish is not going to last. If you was to put that on your regular nails, it's gonna like chip off like 30 seconds after you paint your nails and let it dry. But you know, with the gel top coat on these, it first off make it shiny, and also, you know, it helps the nails last. So I could reuse these if I wanted to, and I definitely will. So okay, so another thing I did, so me personally, I don't even know what made me do these colors. Like, I'm like, literally, I don't know. I just had these two colors and I was like, hey, I don't want no full like set of one color, so let me do this. Yeah, so basically, you know, just take your time with it. Make sure you get the sides. So yeah, I'm gonna leave some of the like material. I bought this stuff a long time ago, like years ago. Some of the stuff like the LED light and these nails, I bought these a super duper long time ago too. So they're not even on AliExpress anymore. But I will try to leave the link to some that, you know, is affordable, because all of this stuff probably like, I'm gonna say under $20. It was like $20. Okay, under $30 max. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna say 40. I'm gonna say $40. $40 tops. Like, but you know, I bought all this like separate, like, so I bought the LED light and nails like at one point in time, which was years ago. Then I bought the little thing that you use to put your fake nails on. I bought that like last year. And then the nail polish I just been had, because I had this whole case of nail polish. And then the gel top nail polish, I bought that last year too. So yeah, I don't know how much I spent on all this stuff altogether, but it's fairly cheap. It's not, you know, it's not the same price you would pay for an actual full set. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy. If you want more tutorial, oh, and the rhinestones, I definitely forgot about the rhinestones. The rhinestones, I actually got that for another thing, which I can make a tutorial about what I actually really use the rhinestones for. But I had them and I'm like, you know, hey, I got this whole case of rhinestones. I might as well use them, because I'm not even gonna use these little ones. So that's what I did, I used them. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Like I said earlier, even though I was supposed to wrap it up earlier, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I just hurt myself. See, this phone wear nails. But I'll make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye. But I'm surprised I was able to make this straight line of rhinestones. I was gonna do something across, but I was like, that's out of my skill set. So maybe one day. And let me try to do that in my head. Okay, so that, I don't know how much that cost. So my nail polish, I used 2 colors, so that was like $2. And yeah, you know, get creative with it. I'm no nail tech whatsoever. Like, I used to do my nails when I was little, but I was like freaking 3. So like, I was like 7. The thing, that light was probably like, I'm gonna say 5. I'm over exaggerating that. I'm going to, and those like